Welcome to Drift Off and Discover, your calm place to unwind as we explore the history of the toilet brush. Before we begin, a brief note for your safety. Please do not listen to this wander through history while driving or operating machinery. Only listen when you're somewhere you can relax safely and completely. Settle in and allow your breathing to soften as you prepare to drift into a calm and unhurried story. Tonight, we explore an object that rarely receives attention, yet quietly supports the rhythm of daily life. It is an object that sits in the background, steady and unassuming, part of the quiet maintenance that keeps homes feeling fresh and cared for. This is the history of the toilet brush. As you listen, let the pace slow. Let the gentle flow of the story guide you toward rest. There is no rush here, only a smooth journey through time, tracing the evolution of a simple tool that has shaped the way people care for their living spaces. When you are ready, we begin. Long before the toilet brush existed, people were already searching for ways to maintain cleanliness in the spaces where they relieved themselves. In ancient settlements, sanitation was a matter of practicality and survival. Early latrines were simple pits or stone-lined channels, and the idea of cleaning these spaces relied on natural elements rather than tools. Flowing water, sand, and even the movement of wind played a role in keeping early facilities usable. In ancient Mesopotamia, clay-lined drains carried waste away from homes, and the constant movement of water helped reduce build-up. In ancient Egypt, workers maintained communal latrines by sweeping and rinsing surfaces with water drawn from nearby sources. These early methods were not precise, but they reflected a growing awareness that cleanliness mattered. As you picture these ancient scenes, imagine the warm air of early civilizations drifting across stone floors. Imagine the soft sound of water trickling through channels. The world was slower then, and the routines of daily life unfolded with a natural rhythm. Cleaning was not yet a refined practice, but it was a necessary one, shaped by the environment and the tools available. These early approaches laid the foundation for the idea that sanitation required attention and care. Though the toilet brush had not yet been imagined, the desire to maintain clean spaces was already taking root. The Romans elevated sanitation to a new level. Their bathhouses and public latrines were marvels of engineering, designed with flowing water systems that carried waste away efficiently. Stone benches with smooth openings lined communal spaces, and beneath them water channels moved continuously. Cleaning these spaces required simple tools. Workers used long-handled scrapers, cloths, and water to maintain the surfaces. The concept of a dedicated brush had not yet emerged, but the idea of using a tool to scrub and maintain cleanliness was beginning to form. Imagine the gentle echo of footsteps in a Roman bathhouse. The air is warm and humid, scented with oils and steam. Water flows steadily through the channels, creating a soft and constant murmur. Workers move slowly through the space, tending to the surfaces with calm and practiced motions. Though the Romans did not invent the toilet brush, they contributed to the understanding that sanitation required ongoing care. Their systems were advanced for their time, and their methods of cleaning influenced the practices that would follow. After the fall of the Roman Empire, sanitation practices shifted. Medieval Europe relied on simpler structures such as garderobes, which were small rooms built over pits or waterways. Cleaning these spaces was a practical task, often handled with basic tools like wooden paddles, buckets of water, and bundles of straw. The idea of scrubbing surfaces with a tool was present, but the tools themselves were rudimentary. A bundle of twigs tied together could serve as a brush for many household tasks, including cleaning latrine areas. These early brushes were not specialized, but they represented the first steps toward the concept of a dedicated cleaning tool. Picture a quiet medieval household. The walls are thick, the air cool, and the light soft as it filters through small windows. Cleaning is done with simple motions, using tools made from natural materials gathered nearby. The pace is slow, steady, and unhurried. Though the medieval world lacked the refined sanitation systems of earlier civilizations, the need for cleanliness persisted. The foundations of the toilet brush were forming quietly, shaped by necessity and the materials at hand. The 17th and 18th centuries brought significant changes. As indoor plumbing began to appear in wealthier homes, the need for more precise cleaning tools grew. Early water closets featured porcelain bowls that required regular maintenance to stay clean and functional. People used cloths, sponges, and small handheld brushes to scrub the surfaces. These brushes were often made from natural fibers, such as horsehair or plant bristles. They were not yet designed specifically for toilets, but they were used for that purpose because they were effective at reaching curved surfaces. Imagine the quiet interior of an early modern home. Wooden floors creak softly underfoot. A small washroom contains a porcelain fixture that gleams faintly in the candlelight. Cleaning is done with gentle motions, using tools crafted by hand. The shift toward indoor plumbing created a new environment where cleanliness became more personal and more visible. This shift set the stage for the invention of a tool designed specifically for the task. The modern toilet brush emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. As flush toilets became more common, manufacturers recognized the need for a tool that could clean the interior surfaces effectively. Early toilet brushes featured wooden handles and bristles made from natural fibers. They were simple, sturdy, and practical. Some designs included curved handles to reach the inner surfaces more easily. These early brushes were often paired with small containers to store them discreetly. Picture a quiet bathroom from this era. The tiles are cool and smooth. The porcelain bowl reflects the soft glow of gas or early electric lighting. The toilet brush rests nearby, ready to assist in the daily routine of maintaining cleanliness. This was the moment when the toilet brush became a distinct household tool. Its purpose was clear, and its design would continue to evolve as new materials and technologies emerged. The mid-20th century brought a wave of innovation in household products. Plastic became a widely used material due to its durability, affordability, and ease of molding into various shapes. The toilet brush was one of many items transformed by this new material. Plastic handles replaced wood, and synthetic bristles replaced natural fibers. These new brushes were lightweight, resistant to water damage, and easy to clean. Manufacturers experimented with different shapes, colors, and designs, making the toilet brush a more standardized household item. Imagine the gentle sound of water running in a mid-century bathroom. The surfaces are smooth and bright. A plastic toilet brush stands in a matching holder, its bristles clean and ready for use. The design is simple, functional, and familiar. Plastic allowed the toilet brush to become a common item in homes around the world. Its evolution reflected broader changes in manufacturing and household expectations. As the 20th century progressed, designers began to focus on ergonomics and efficiency. Handles were shaped to fit comfortably in the hand. Bristles were arranged to reach every curve of the toilet bowl. Some brushes featured angled heads or flexible necks to improve cleaning performance. Manufacturers also introduced holders designed to contain drips and reduce odors. These holders became part of the overall design, blending with bathroom decor and providing a discreet storage solution. Picture a modern bathroom with soft lighting and clean lines. The toilet brush stands quietly in its holder, designed to be both functional and unobtrusive. Its shape reflects careful thought about how people use it and how it fits into the space around it. These improvements made the toilet brush more effective and more pleasant to use. The tool continued to evolve, shaped by the desire for cleanliness and convenience. In recent decades, concerns about hygiene have led to new innovations. Disposable brush heads allow users to clean the toilet and then discard the used portion. Some systems use cleaning pads pre-soaked with gentle cleaning solutions. Others feature antimicrobial materials designed to reduce the growth of bacteria. These innovations reflect a growing awareness of cleanliness and a desire to make the process as hygienic as possible. The toilet brush has become part of a broader trend toward disposable and easy-to-maintain household tools. Imagine the quiet routine of cleaning a modern bathroom. The air is fresh, the surface is smooth, and the tools designed to minimize contact and effort. The process is simple, calm, and efficient. These new designs show how the toilet brush continues to adapt to changing expectations and technologies. As environmental awareness grows, manufacturers are exploring sustainable materials and designs. Some toilet brushes are made from bamboo, recycled plastics, or biodegradable components. Others feature replaceable heads to reduce waste. These eco-friendly designs reflect a desire to balance cleanliness with environmental responsibility. The toilet brush, once a simple and overlooked tool, has become part of a larger conversation about sustainability. Picture a bathroom filled with natural textures and soft colors. A bamboo-handled toilet brush rests in a simple holder, blending with the calm and earthy atmosphere. The design is thoughtful, gentle, and aligned with modern values. Sustainable innovations show how even the most ordinary objects can evolve in meaningful ways. Today, the toilet brush is a familiar presence in homes around the world. It stands quietly in bathrooms, ready to assist in the daily routine of maintaining cleanliness. Its design has changed over time, but its purpose remains the same. Looking ahead, future innovations may focus on improved hygiene, sustainable materials, and designs that integrate seamlessly with modern bathrooms. Some concepts explore self-cleaning systems or brushes that use gentle steam or water pressure. Imagine the calm atmosphere of a contemporary bathroom. The air is still, the surface is smooth, and the tools thoughtfully designed. The toilet brush stands as a reminder that even the simplest objects have a story shaped by centuries of human ingenuity. The journey of the toilet brush is a quiet one, but it reflects the ongoing effort. As this gentle journey comes to a close, allow yourself to settle even deeper into rest. The story of the toilet brush may be simple, yet it carries the quiet rhythm of everyday life. It reminds us that even the most ordinary objects have histories shaped by care, creativity, and the desire for comfort. Let your breathing soften. Let your thoughts drift. There is nothing more you need to do. The story has carried you through centuries of calm, steady progress, and now it leaves you in a place of stillness. May your night be peaceful. May your rest be deep. And may you drift off with ease. Thank you so much for sharing this quiet moment with me. If you'd like more bedtime stories like this, then please subscribe now. And if there's a topic you'd love to hear as you drift off, let me know in the comments. Sleep well and be safe.